Good morning, children. I welcome you all to the today's class. So today we are going to start our second lesson. So our second lesson is going to be quite interesting. So our second lesson is designing in Impress. So let us start our first part of a lesson. So as we already discussed, our second lesson is regarding the Open Office Impress. Okay, so basically what is this Open Office Impress? It is a software which is used to create the presentations. What is Open Office Impress? It is a software which is used to create presentations. Okay, so basically it has been developed by Apache company. Okay, and it was developed in June 1st, 2011 by Apache Software Foundation. Okay, children. So what is an open office software? It is basically used to create presentations and it has been developed by Open Office of Apache company. Okay, and it is developed in the year 2011 June 1st. Okay, next. What is a software suite? These are some terms that we need to learn. Okay, what is a software suite? It is a collection of two or more software programs that are bundled and sold together. That means, for example, take MS Office. In MS Office, it is also a suite, software suite. We will call it as a software suite. That means in MS Office, we are having MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Excel. These all are several kinds of programs that are available in a bunch or bundle. Okay, I hope you all understood now. Next, theme. So we already discussed that Open Office is used to create the presentations. Okay, so in the presentations we need some theme, no? So basically what is a theme? It is a combination of various formats such as background colors, font style, text size or color. So basically presentation means what? It is the way how we represent our work, right? That means we can provide some background colors, we can increase the font size, we can increase the font style or change the font style, we can give different colors to the text or the background. Okay, so that what happens, it changes the appearance of the presentation, so that whenever we see that particular presentation we feel that it is very beautiful or looking very nice, right? Next, so in Open Office, how we can select the themes and theme colors. So let us discuss it now. So using various slide designs, we can make our presentations beautiful and attractive. As we already discussed, presentations are usually prepared so that they look beautiful and appear attractive. Okay, so for that we can select different kinds of slide designs. Okay, and this can be done in OpenOffice Impress when before creating the presentations or else after creating the presentations also we can change the themes and theme colors. Okay, next. So see, as we already discussed, we can select the themes and theme colors in two ways. First one is before creating the presentation or else after creating the presentation. So next, so option one. So today we are going to see how we can create or select the themes before creating the presentation. Okay. So see, whenever we are opening the OpenOffice Impress application, first of all the window is to be appearing like this. Okay. So in this, as we already discussed, this particular OpenOffice Impress has been developed by Apache company. So see here, it is mentioned Apache OpenOffice 4. Okay, and we also discussed that it is providing some several programs in a bundle and sold together, right? That is what called as software suite. Yes, so see here we are having text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formula, and also templates. So as we already discussed, these all are several programs that are bundled and sold together. Okay, children. Next. So today in this lesson we are going to learn about the presentations, right? So in the previous option we are going to click on select presentation. Whenever we have selected the presentation, we are going to get a dialog box like this. Okay, in the dialog box, that particular dialog box is what called as a presentation wizard. Okay, and see, here we are having three options. What are those? Empty presentation, from template, and open existing presentation, right? Along with those, we'll be having help, cancel, next, and also create. Okay, so we are going to select empty presentation because we are selecting the themes before creating the presentation. Okay, children. Next, so see, this is the second step. So here there is an option C, presentation backgrounds. In that we are having several kinds of presentation backgrounds in the drop down list. Okay, children. And we are also having some options such as select an output medium. In that medium, we are having several options like overhead sheet, paper, screen, slide. That means here we are performing the operations on the screen. Okay, that means output means what? We can see the way how we can see, right? So here we are going to see it on the screen, not on a paper or anything else. So we'll be selecting screen, and to go to the next step we'll be clicking on next option. Okay, once we'll be selecting here the whatever presentation backgrounds we want, we will be selecting in that particular options and we'll be clicking on next. Okay, so this is the third step. As we already selected the next step, we came into this particular step. So see, here we are having several options. Select a slide transition. Effect, no effect is given. Speed, medium speed is given. Select the presentation type, default automatic. So we are not going to do any changes in these particular options. Okay, children, those will be taught in the next class. So today I just wanted you to see how that particular open office window is to be visible for you people. Okay, so once we have selected all these, we will be selecting the create option. So see, we have selected a particular kind of theme here. So that is why I hope you all are able to see the background color. It is a sky blue. Okay. Once I have selected on create, we have created a slide with our own theme that we have selected in the previous step. Okay. So this is the window that is to be visible when we have clicked on which option? Create option. Okay, children, please go through all those steps clearly, and I am going to show you all these clearly in the next part. That means I am going to work out on this particular OpenOffice Impress and will show you each and everything in a detailed version. Okay, children, I hope you all understood today's class, and I hope you all will be eagerly waiting for the next class to learn how we are going to work on OpenOffice Impress. Okay, children, thank you.